I'm Paul Danieri. I'm professor of political science, and I study Ukraine-Russia relations. I've been studying the relationship between Russia and Ukraine since about the time the Soviet Union collapsed. And from the very beginning, my question was, how are these two countries going to get along with one another? Used to be part of the same country, very fractured historical relationship. So that's what I've been studying. And for a long time, it was about economics and about Russia's various attempts to exert economic pressure on Ukraine. But in 2014, of course, in 2022, it really became about war. And so my most recent book is a book that's now in its second edition called Ukraine and Russia, From Civilized Divorce to Uncivil War, which really digs into both the historical and the contemporary roots of the war between Russia and Ukraine. Right now, my research is really focused on how this war might end, and particularly on the question of how might a peaceful order in that region be constructed after this war is over someday.